Yeah.
As one I can say, I never make an intro, but some videos don't make an intro. But this one, I not an intro. I couldn't say it for myself. What's good, you are King SHAF here? SHAF, baby, you watch it. Join start. Jada Kingdom. Yo. I don't know Rasta, but now I don't too much explain. With all that been said, I could check it out.
But you know ugly girl on the boat, me nah ask, me serious. Me don't deny it. Cause I'ma tell you what you gonna. I can't bother with one bag of insecurity and like me not bash nobody, but you know understand? I realize when girls are up to par, them come around, them just start. I can't bother, man. I don't want them energy around me. Pretty confident bad girls only. Like I can't bother, man. Get them a comment. And then you know for real. I can't bother. If you come with some for real, we come with a swimsuit and things them. You get me and say proper IG in the back of my go on a boat with somebody before and remember till their coochie did not smell nice at all. And I wasn't trying to smell our coochie, but the coochie was our kicking. And anybody on the boat, any angle of the boat, they feel even the in the bathroom, I smell the coochie. So you know when the sun hits that now, it just the smell just brung up. You know? So no. Nice clean girl on the boat, clean coochie. Clean bottom, yeah. Clean arm shave, pum brush up at least. I don't want to see no ear stick to the swimsuit out like them ready for cut nobody. You understand? Like shave up, brush up, come with your motherfucking stuff.
I mean,
your own lip gloss, your own things them. And
brush up.
So life gonna do so life year 2021 we're bossing up. I'm not care like come on, love for true. No stink coochie on the boat. No other girls on the boat. I'm not care. And if I feel a way about it, then you're just ugly. And that's just that on that. Nah, judge nobody, but we not do it, man. If you are if you're not ugly and confident, you can't come on the boat. You understand? It's
fair
different.
Enough.
It's a different. If you're ugly and confident, you can come on the boat. But trust me, when I try to see the beauty in our people and say, yeah man, let's go outside, let's enjoy them. Can't buy them, kill my vibe, man. Everything do them. You live with their face from before you know me. As me invite you out, you have all sort of problem with your features. All sort of problem with your body. You want to do this, you want to do that, you want to. You don't go on, man, and stop kill my vibe. Sexy, pretty girl alone on the boat, man, we have them things, man. But if one, not, man, you understand? Some of them take me the wrong way, yes? Understand what I try to say? It's just that, you know, can't better. And the girl with them money too, cause the girl them feel away when we spend our money and stuff. You know, I can't do it. First of all, I'ma tell you this. If I go a party with somebody, I'ma tell them at least go get a water for me or something. Bro, they ask me for no money for the water. $60 for the water. What was in a Jamaican? My water. $100 Jamaican for your water. As someone know the girl them broke. Like, cause you know to me, you understand? Like, I go out and buy drinks for girls all the time. I ask back for no money.
Be independent when I get a road. Break your own drink and buy your own drink.
Invite you out, like, you understand, like, I don't like them style. Like, that's why I don't like when people invite me out and then me a spin, because when me invite you out, me a spin, but when you invite me out, it's not the same energy. I want to look at water, I have to buy the own water for myself and that. First of all, can't bother. One girl do it to me one time. I did vex in the middle of the party. My daddy have my business and just say, you want something to drink? I'm gonna say, yeah. The girl gonna bring the water and then ask me the money for the water. What the fuck you ask me want something to drink from? Alright, I'm thirsty. Is. You understand? Where you do that for though? Why? And it just I don't know. It just did cheap. It just did weird to me. I don't know, cause it was like, I mean, look at that on WhatsApp. Like you're rude. Fuck. Weird at WhatsApp. I did vex. I did feel weird. Like we are trying to say like we are trying to do. We are trying. People weird. People just like it's for the female. Them do some weird things. Yeah, go out with them. Them do some weird things. My one girl, one time she invited me to the movie. Oh, you come a movie and not no money. How? Are you invite me, old lady? Like the girl let me stay some man. More at least me pay for the movie than you pay for the food. You know, you pay for the. And I like them look a style them at. You understand what I say? I don't understand me.
That's the end of the video. I mean, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, share. I'm out.